Today at RealtyNXT, we will talk about Zojila Tunnel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had laid the foundation for the Zojila Tunnel back in May 2018. The cost of the project is pegged at around 6,800 crore. The project was first conceived in 2005 and its detailed project report was prepared by BRO in the year 2013. After several failed attempts to award the project, it was eventually given to NHIDCL in July 2016. However, the National Highways Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, which had initially awarded the contract for the tunnel to IL&FS Group, IL&FS Transportation terminated the contract in January last year after the group abandoned the project over financial issues. The project was either awarded under the hybrid annuity model. According to the Minister Narendra Modi, the project will now be converted to the engineering, procurement and construction known as EPC mode. Before this also, the NHIDCL had cancelled the contract awarded to IRB Infrastructure. The project was re-awarded this year to Megha Engineering and Infrastructure Limited, which had emerged as the lowest bidder, quoting 4,509.5 crores for the project. The project will be constructed in two sections of about 33 kilometers. The first section is to develop by constructing the 18.50 kilometer road. In the second section, the Zojila Tunnel is to be built in the shape of a horseshoe of 14.15 km as a two-road lane of 9.5 meter wide and 7.57 meters high. It also involves the construction of a connecting road from the Z-Morh tunnel to Zojila Tunnel and a 14.150 km long bi-directional tunnel across Zojila Pass on the Sonmarg Kargil section of NH01 on engineering, procurement, construction mode. Recently, Union Minister Narendra Modi launched the first blasting on 15th October 2020 for the construction related at 14.15 km Zojila Tunnel. It's also known as one of the longest in Asia that will provide all-year connectivity between Srinagar Valley and Leh. The first section of the project is expected to be completed in 2.5 years and the second part to be completed in 6.5 years. The Zojila Tunnel will be the Asia's longest bi-directional tunnel. The project holds strategic significance as Zojila Pass is situated at an altitude of 11,578 feet on the Srinagar-Kargil-Leh National Highway and remains closed during winters due to heavy snowfall. At present, it is one of the most dangerous stretches in the world to drive a vehicle, and this project is also geostrategically sensitive. So let's talk about the key highlights of Zojila Tunnel. The 14.15 km Zojila Tunnel is significant as it will reduce the 3.5 hour to a mere 15 minutes of travel. In January 2018, the government had approved the construction of 14.2 km long parallel escape tunnel between Baltal and Myanmar. The tunnel was proposed to include a fully transverse ventilation system, CCTV monitoring, continuous power supply, traffic logging equipment, emergency lighting, variable message signs, tunnel radio system and overhead vehicle detection. Additionally, the tunnel proposed plan included the provision of pedestrian cross passages every 250 meters, emergency telephones and firefighting cabinets every 125 meters and motorable cross passages and lay-bys every 750 meters. The estimated time of completion of this tunnel is 7 years from the commencement of the construction. The government hopes that upon completion of the project would give a boost to local businesses as they would get linked to the national market and consequently lead to an increase in employment at multiple levels. The tunnel is expected to be of great importance to India's defense, keeping in view the massive military activities that are taking place along the borders in Ladakh, Gilgit and Baltistan regions. The Border Roads Organization, also known as BRO, has decided to improve the road travel facilities to all commuters between Kashmir to Ladakh. As part of this plan, a highway tunnel will also be constructed from Srinagar to Baltal. This tunnel road is also convenient to Amarnath Yatra pilgrims. Baltal base camp near Kargil will be used for Amarnath Yatra. The speed limit inside the tunnel is likely to be the same as in Atal tunnel, that's 80 kilometers per hour. The tunnel will provide all-weather connectivity between Srinagar Valley and Leh-Ladakh Plateau on NH1 and will bring about an all-round economic and social cultural integration of Jammu and Kashmir. The project will make the travel on Srinagar-Kargil-Leh section of NH1 free from avalanches, would enhance safety and would reduce the travel time. The construction cost of Zojila Tunnel was earlier worked out at Rs 6,575.85 crores, and after considering the escalation at the rate 5% per annum, and the total capital cost of the project was 8,308 crore by NHIDCL. Thus, the total integrated cost of the project, including Zojila Tunnel and approaches up to Z-Morh Tunnel, works out to 10,643 crores. To ensure all-weather connectivity, the approach road to tunnel from Z-Morh will have avalanche protection. Z-Morh Tunnel project comprises of 6.5 km tunnel, a 6 km approach road, 2 major bridges and 1 minor bridge. The project is worth Rs 2,379 crores and is expected to be completed by 30th June of 2021 and will provide round-the-year connectivity to Sonmarg. For more updates, trends and insights by RealtyNXT, do not forget to share, like and subscribe RealtyNXT.